guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can tell by the title, today I am deep cleaning my room because it's in a horrendous mess. And when I'm cleaning my room, I'm also cleaning my closet because my closet is also a horrendous mess. So I just thought I'd film it because I find these videos very relaxing. It's ending here. It's already the beginning of the video and I didn't include something in my intro. But basically, I share a room with two of my sisters, so my oldest and younger sister. I talk about like their part of the room as well throughout the video. So just so that you know, have a little context. But before I get started with this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's begin. The first thing I want to do is show you guys what's up. What's up, because guys, let me tell you, this room, let me show you. Firstly, this is a closet. So basically, me and my older sister, we share a closet, and then my younger sister's clothes are in my parents' room. It's usually just half and half. So like this stuff, all that stuff are mine, and then those three are my sister, and then these are all my sweaters, and then my sister's sweaters are there, and then back there's like skirts and dresses. You see how like it's so cluttered? There's some white hangers, black hangers. I want to change that because it looks so chaotic, and I do want to color code the clothes as well. Definitely want to like organize the hangers, so like separate them from white, black, and like these iron hangers, and also like these smaller hangers, and then just put them nicely. What I was initially gonna do is go to the dollar store and get like maybe all black hangers and just use that, but then I was like, then I'm gonna have so much like hangers left over, so I might as well just make it more organized. Like for example, all of this has black hangers, you know what I mean? And then this is the electronics bin. Do you guys see this? Like, it is not cute. Then these are where I keep my underwears and like bras and stuff, and that's my sister's stuff as well. And then here are my shirts. Here are my shirts as well, my crochet bag. These are all our crochet stuff. Hats, my leg warmers are in here, and then my shorts are also in here. I feel like I have more clothes than my sister, because why is my stuff actually overflowing into other drawers? Like, and then this is my sister's shirts as well. And then back there are bags. But yeah, you guys see the state. Oh, and also this is in here too. This is just a bunch of other stuff, but I really want to just organize it so that it's more better. But yeah guys, that's how the closet is looking like. It's actually like ridiculous, so we have to clean that up. I guess I'll show you guys like the actual room. So this is like our little corner. This is where we keep like art stuff. My sister is an artist, so she makes like prints, or she designed all of these things and then she prints them. And then this is like this is just achievements that we just hang up, and I just hang my UFT thing up there. And this is our window. A pretty nice, I feel like this is a really nice window because I think it's just centered in like the best place ever, because I do my TikToks here, so I put my phone up here and then I do TikToks. Definitely just a bunch of random stuff here. We got my clay rings that I am yet to paint. Like, I have to paint these. I just haven't gotten the time to. Then we have our LED remote. Just a bunch of other clutter that we just have to fix. And then now to show you guys the beds. So that's my oldest sister's bed. She has like her own bed to the side. Really nice bed frame, all this stuff. And then this is me and my sister's side. Me and my little sister's side. So my sister, she's turning 11, so she's 10 right now. So she sleeps on that side, and then I sleep on this side. Before, she would have her pillow up there, so then it'll just be like I'm here and then she's there. But then I felt like I didn't have space, so she just moved her pillow here. Definitely she has too much stuffed animals there, so I'm just gonna like fix that in a way that it looks better. Then I have all my camera stuff. I'm gonna start with the closet because that's the one that's like the one that's really messing me up. I'm gonna take out all the hangers and sweaters. Damn, okay, so I got all of my sweaters, white hangers, like metal hangers, black hangers, and then a blue hanger. We got more. I gotta do my sister's ones too. so I am done with the sweaters. My sister's sweaters are here. My sweaters are here. Before I put it back in the closet, I'm gonna remove all that stuff up there. We got all that stuff removed. Now I'm going to put the sweaters and stuff back in the closet. So basically before, I think my clothes extended like here. I'm not even gonna lie. But now it's nicely fitted here. I'm going to push my sister's stuff here. Yeah, period. Is that a lot? That seems like a lot. I'm gonna leave it here on this side. Usually what I'll do is I would leave my sister's stuff here so that there's a little gap over here. But for now, I'll leave it here because I still need to put all those clothes away. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna let it charge. I'm gonna do this stuff off camera and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so my camera's charged a bit. So I got all the dresses here. After I like fix them, put them on the hanger nicely, like this thing, there's not much of it. There's not much of it. Obviously the hangers aren't color coded, but it's fine, it's just at the back. This is of course the sweaters. I put the metal hangers here, so that's just like more neater. But I'm actually going to put my sister's stuff back there. Wow, that's so much more neater. But yeah, now we're done with the sweaters. I think I was gonna do the drawers, but I think I'm actually gonna do up here, so that's just folded and just done. Okay guys, I'm actually just gonna fold my stuff because my sister's stuff is just back there and it can just stay there, to be honest. I finished with folding. Honestly, I don't like how like the colors are everywhere. Okay guys, so I actually fixed the color coding of these. It looks way better now. Like it actually looks organized. I took out all the drawers and I put the bags here. I'm gonna put them in there, and then I also have to fold all these bins. So okay, I'm gonna organize all these bins off camera and then I'll show you guys how I organize them, because if I film it, it's gonna be like a good hour of footage. So okay guys, so all the bins are organized. We still got this mess to deal with, but I'm just gonna like do a little run through on like how I organized it. So basically these two bins plus this stuff is mine. So what I did was I put all my light shirts here in rows, like files, which I always do because it's just easy to just pick out a shirt. And I also did the same for here. Here are crochet stuff, and like that's my sister's like crochet hat, that's my crochet bag, and then everything else is mine here. Like these are like my thicker socks, two of them down here, and then I also have my hat here. And then these two bins are my sister's stuff. Fixed all that, and then here is just the electronics bin. I'm gonna put back the drawers back in there, and I also have one outside right there. Y'all see the difference? Yeah. But I'm gonna organize this stuff and also put it nicely here. And probably I'm gonna put a lot of the stuff here also downstairs in the basement because some stuff here is just kind of unnecessary. Organize our makeup, not makeup, but perfumes, nail polish, deodorant stuff in here. We got this thing from Dollarama. Dollarama has some nice like organization stuff, so I definitely recommend. So it fits really nicely right over there. I'm also gonna keep my Sephora stuff on. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff, guys. Like these two are the only things that fit because then all this stuff on the side, it's just clothes. It's like nothing is getting cleaned up. Okay, definitely the closet is looking better. I'm actually happy about that. That's a jam. Getting some stuff done. I put a lot of this stuff underneath the bed, so all this stuff is going downstairs. We still need to fix this whole place plus the shelf, but we are almost done. Like I feel like we're almost done. Guys, it's looking way better. Again, these are just my clay rings. Oh, maybe I should, yeah, I'm probably gonna stack them. They kind of look weird. They look weird, like just lying like that. I actually put them into 2 piles. Yeah, we're almost done. Just gotta fix the beds, put away all this stuff on it, and I'm also gonna move that butterfly over there because it looks weird there. Okay guys, I'm outside, but let's walk inside. Oh my gosh. Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all, not my camera blurry. Yeah. Okay. We have officially finished cleaning the room. I am so happy. I probably wouldn't have done this if it wasn't for me thinking about this video this morning. I was like, oh, my room is messy. Maybe I should make a video about it. So I did, and definitely paid off. I feel like everything is completely done. Closet, room is clean. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below other video ideas you'd like to see from me. I need them because it's actually hard to think of videos, so please, if you have any suggestions, please DM me on Instagram or comment them down below here. I need to know what you guys want to watch. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit those post notification button so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Just so you know, I post every Monday and Friday. I'm trying to be consistent on YouTube. Like, the success that I used to post like consistently is back. I'm back. I will see y'all next time for another one of my videos. Bye.